Electric fireplaces bring warmth and ambiance to any room, combining style with energy-efficient heating. In this video, we'll review the 5 best electric fireplaces that offer realistic flames, easy installation, and reliable performance. Whether you want to enhance your living space or add a cozy touch to your home, these options are perfect. Check the links in the description for more info and updated pricing. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Maniston 50-inch electric fireplace. Transform your space with the Maniston 50-inch electric fireplace, the perfect combination of modern design and practical heating. Its ultra-slim 3.94-inch profile allows both wall-mounted and recessed installation, fitting seamlessly into any room. Whether it's a living room, bedroom, office, or RV, this fireplace enhances your decor while staying unobtrusive. Easy-to-follow installation instructions and reference videos make setup hassle-free. Enjoy cozy warmth on demand with dual heating modes of 750 watts and 1500 watts, delivering 5,000 British thermal units to heat up to 400 square feet. With a customizable temperature range of 60 to 99 degrees Fahrenheit and continuous heating mode, you can create the perfect environment for relaxation, entertaining, or working, making it a practical addition to any home. Control your ambiance effortlessly with touch controls or the included remote. Adjust flame and firebed colors, brightness, and temperature, or set the 1 to 12-hour timer for convenient, energy-efficient operation. With CSA certification, overheat protection, and a child lock, it's a safe, stylish, and reliable choice. Perfect for anyone seeking warmth, ambiance, and elegance in one. At number 4, we have the Touchstone Smart Electric Fireplace. Elevate your home with the Touchstone Smart Electric Fireplace, designed to deliver the perfect mix of style, warmth, and convenience. Its sleek black glass finish and realistic flames, enhanced with faux logs and crystals, create a cozy, traditional fireplace look without the hassle of real fire. Ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, or entertainment areas, it fits seamlessly with wall mount or recessed installation. Experience flexible heating with 5,000 BTU output and 5 flame settings. Run it with heat for chilly nights or flames only for ambiance in warmer months. The sides and back remain cool to the touch, making it safe for any space, even beneath a TV or mantle. Control your fireplace effortlessly with the included IR remote, hardwired option, or smart home integration via Alexa, Google Home, or the mobile app. Adjust flame color and intensity, set the timer, and enjoy energy-efficient comfort with ease. Safe, stylish, and ventless, the Sideline Touchstone fireplace is perfect for anyone seeking modern elegance, smart control, and cozy warmth in one compact design. At number 3, we have the Pura Flame Clouse electric fireplace. Bring timeless charm and modern convenience to your home with the Pura Flame Clouse electric fireplace. Its polished metal finish, lifelike resin logs, and 3-sided interior brick design create the authentic look of a traditional wood-burning fireplace, without the mess of dust or ash. Enjoy 3 adjustable flame settings with variable brightness and intensity. Use it with or without heat year-round, thanks to energy-efficient LED technology that delivers realistic flames while saving electricity. With 5,118 British thermal units output, the Klaus provides supplemental warmth for spaces up to 400 square feet. The included remote and adjustable thermostat make controlling temperature and flame effortless, offering comfort exactly when you need it. Designed for freestanding or wall-mounted installation, this fireplace plugs into a standard 120-volt outlet, making setup simple and flexible. Compact, elegant, and reliable, the Pura Flame Clouse combines style, warmth, and convenience, making it an ideal choice for any home-seeking classic ambiance and modern functionality. At number 2, we have the Westinghouse 50-inch electric fireplace heater. The Westinghouse 50-inch electric fireplace heater combines sleek modern design with customizable ambiance. Its lacquered metal and tempered glass construction offers a polished, contemporary look, while interchangeable faux logs and crystal ember beds add visual appeal. With up to 144 color combinations, 5 brightness levels, and 5 flame speeds, you can create the perfect atmosphere for any room. Providing 5,110 British thermal units heat output, this fireplace keeps spaces warm and cozy. Adjustable heater settings and a built-in thermostat, 62 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, let you maintain your ideal temperature, offering comfort and energy efficiency for living rooms, bedrooms, or offices. Control is effortless with Alexa and Google Home compatibility, the Westinghouse app, or the included remote. Adjust flame intensity, color, and heat settings from anywhere, or set the timer for added convenience. Designed for wall mount or in-wall recessed installation, it fits standard openings with a flush, elegant finish. Safety features like overheat protection and automatic shutoff ensure peace of mind, making the Westinghouse 50-inch electric fireplace heater a stylish, reliable, and smart heating solution. At number 1, we have the RW Flame 60-inch recessed and wall-mounted electric fireplace. The RW Flame 60-inch electric fireplace combines sleek, modern design with practical functionality. Measuring just 3.86 inches deep, its ultra-thin profile allows for easy wall-mounted installation, adding elegance without taking up space. Redesigned power and cable placement make it both attractive and convenient for any living room. Enjoy customizable ambiance with 12 flame and LED flame bed colors, 5 flame speeds, and 5 brightness levels. The automatic flame mode adjusts color and brightness on its own, creating a dynamic and cozy atmosphere effortlessly. With adjustable 750 watts and 1500 watts heating modes, this fireplace provides supplemental warmth for spaces up to 400 square feet while saving energy. The ETL certified unit maintains natural humidity, preventing overly dry air for comfortable indoor heating. Control is easy via touchscreen or remote, and built-in safety features like auto heat, kill, prevent overheating. The RW Flame 60-inch electric fireplace delivers style, warmth, and peace of mind for any home. Thanks for watching! If you found the perfect electric fireplace for your home, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cozy home gear reviews. Check the description for product links and current prices. Enjoy warmth and ambiance without the hassle. Stay comfortable, and we'll see you in the next video.